So good evening from here in London. Been a pretty eventful evening. It all started off with the third and final Treasury note auction of the week. $29 billion 7-year notes, which saw a lower yield than expected here, gave a boost to Treasuries and they moved up towards session highs. Now the equity markets has also been pretty exciting today. Although earlier in the session we did see the SPOOs move above that 1300 level, it failed to close above it, closing very close at 1299.52, so just below that key 1300 level in the SPOOs. In terms of actual earnings, we saw Microsoft. They were scheduled for after market, however, they reported unexpectedly before the market closed. EPS and revenue beat expectations, and their shares did move quite swiftly up around 2% on the day. However, by the time Wall Street closed, they had retraced this move and gone into minor negative territory at one point. Another company that reported after market, though, was Amazon. Their EPS just beat expectations, but their revenue missed. And where they see their operating profit in the first quarter was well below what the market was looking for. Shares seemed down around 9% in aftermarket trade. Now that's pretty much it, although a few minutes ago after the US markets closed we did see comments out of Moody's that have released a report on the US rating, and they have kept US at that AAA rating with their outlook stable. Reaction in the dollar index was fairly muted as most market participants have now gone home. This does follow on from those comments we saw from S&P earlier in the session where they reiterated Germany's AAA rating. Anyway, that's it for today. We're back tomorrow morning. We will be seeing Chevron, Ford and Honeywell all reporting tomorrow. So until then, have a fantastic evening and I'll see you then. Goodbye.